Sankalp, powered by vision, driven by resolve, welcomes you all. We assure you great return on time invested by you. Sankalp is the flagship company of Steelsmith Group. Steelsmith Continental Manufacturing Private Limited was established way back in 1994 with core competence in sheet metal fabrication. In 2001, when pre-engineered building technology was just introduced, company started working as certified builder for international giant Kirby Building Systems. And with strong Gujarati business instincts and experiences, in 2005, Sankalp started providing complete building solution manufacturing unit in pre-engineered steel building industry. We have taken Sankalpa with vision of providing comprehensive steel building solution through converting human capital into an asset, creating world-class infrastructure, religiously ensure customer satisfaction by perceiving, understanding, converting and delivering customers' expectations, achieve double-digit growth and continuously improve on it. Mission of Team Sankalp to achieve this vision by means of quality management systems, integrated manufacturing practices, proactive and communicative project execution practices, fair HR and admin practices. Yes, traveled a lot on our mission. For example, we are fully on SAP systems as on date. Keeping above vision and mission in mind, the quality policy at Sankalp, we are implementing customer-driven strategies, leveraging on continuous improvement initiatives, creating learning environments that fosters constant innovation, sustaining partnership with suppliers for competitive advantage. Top management is there to provide fruits of their pretty 120 years engineering experience when put together. Mr. Krishnakant Popat, whose nickname is Kanubhai, is Chairman and Managing Director. Visionary Mr. Sunil Popat as Director, who has 30 plus years of industry experience. Mr. Mahesh Pujara as Technical Director with 40 years of rich experience in research and development. Mr. Arvind Mehta as Director Business Development, who has worked in domestic and international markets for sales and marketing. These heads have hands and legs of the classic core team members. Mr. Jatin Shah, General Manager, Commercial and HR. Manoj Pawar, Head, Accounts and Finance. Mr. Minesh Patel, Plant Head. Mr. Apurva Ganatra, Senior Manager, Business Development. Mr. Sandeep Patel, Manager, Projects. Mr. Kiran Kumar, Manager, Engineering. And Mr. Himanshu Patel, Manager, Customer Service Department. Here you can see what is pre-engineered building. It consists of several components. PEB is the finished product in itself that mainly includes frames, walls, roofing, cladding, connection bolts and accessories. Yes, worldwide this is the only accepted system due to its excellent features like speed of construction, quality and strength with value addition. Standard framing systems of prefabricated or pre-engineered steel buildings are clear span, lean-to, single slope, multi-span, multi-gable. Now, let's have a look at the huge infrastructure and resources at our Vadodara plant. Land area is 80,000 square meter, that is approx more than 20 acre, And for PEB division, the office building of 600 square meter and factory building is of 9,000 square meter contributes to Western region infrastructural growth. Manufacturing capacity at our Vadodara plant for primary structural is 12,000 ton, secondary structural 6,000 ton, sheeting material 6,000 ton per annum. So in total, it's 24,000 ton per annum to cater Western region. The world-class human capital deployed is total 220, wherein the technical team consists of 20 people, operators and helpers 120, and erection crew is of 80 people. Man and machines create wonders wherever we construct buildings. Have a look at a few major types of equipments from best of the best manufacturers installed at Sankalp. CNC Oxy Fuel Gas Cutting Machine, H-Beam Assembly Machine, Gantry Sew Machine, Flange Straightening Machine, Airless Shot Blasting Machine, Line of Cold Forming Machine for roof and wall panels, ZNC Section Forming Machine. And our existing clients and consultants have visualized detailing from the world-class IT infrastructure. The softwares we use are STAAD Pro, eStrap, MBS, StruCAD, Tekla, AutoCAD and ZWCAD, FastCam, Solid Edge. This infrastructure has helped us to provide advanced engineering techniques, efficient workmanship, utmost precision tolerance for the products and services we provide to our clients and consultants. Consider just last 5 years, Sankalp has successfully installed 5 lakh square meter of building structures in Western India with EHS safety norms. Thanks to our roots based on values, vision, and above visuals of infrastructure, we could successfully comply with important certifications for design, manufacture, and supply like Quality Management System ISO 9001-2008, Environmental Management System ISO 14001-2004, Occupational Health and Safety Management System OHAS 18001-2007. Now, let's have a look at the product lineup for pre-engineered buildings. Primary members like rafters, columns, intermediate frames, end wall frames, wind bracings, crane brackets, mezzanine beams, and joists are factory manufactured with 345 MPa minimum yield strength conforming to ASTM 572 grade 50. They require bolted connections only to be made on site. Secondary members like roof purlins, wall girds, and eave struts are made from 120 GSM to 275 GSM GI coils depending on building design. They conform to ASTM A653 grade 50 with 345 MPa yield strength. CNZ section purlins, girds and struts are available in thickness range from 1.2 mm to 3.0 mm. As you can see, the depth is 200 mm, flange is 60 mm and leap is 20 mm for all sections. Trapezoidal roof and wall panels are available in 1000 and 1050 cover width. Both the profiles are with anti-capillary groove to ensure leak-proof installation. Available thickness range for PPGI, that is, pre-painted galvanized iron, is 0.45 to 0.6 mm, yield strength of 250, 345 and 550 MPa. 0.47 mm thickness for bare galvalume with yield strength of 550 MPa, and 0.5 mm to 0.6 mm thickness is available for colored galvalume called PPGL with 550 MPa yield strength. You have a choice of color combinations from Sankalp to choose and make your dream project a landmark for navigators. There are many accessories for different applications like sheeting accessories, reflective thermal insulation, turbo ventilators, etc. We care for your dream project, and all the processes are in place to make your Sankalp a reality. Here you can see different communication stages from architectural integration and structural engineering to erection and completion stage. At every level, utmost care is taken to design and manufacture your building at our factory. When your inquiry, tender or order is received, it is thoroughly reviewed at Sankalp by Sales and Marketing, Customer Support Department and Design Department. Here the contract review at every stage is most important. Once things are in place, production is planned. Right material for your building is procured and stored. And finally, the same is dispatched in time as per the schedule. Here the quality is most important for every department. You can see how different departments at Sankalp PEB division manufacture and produce completely knocked down building which is assembled at site. 3 manufacturing lines at Sankalp, namely built-up line, cold form line and sheeting line are working in coordination with each other, producing primary members to gutters, flashings, trims, etc. Existing clients. Few from big list of clients are more than happy to give references to enable Sankalp achieve its sales projections. Not only logos, but you can see appreciation letters also from few of our customers here. Now, let's have a look at few of the images of projects we have completed. Xylem at Vadodara, Manjusar. Size 2350 square meter with bay height of 32 meters. High-Tech Industries at Manjusar, Vadodara, a 9,000 square meter industry building. Dynaflex Private Limited at Halol, Vadodara, 5,200 square meter. SE Power Limited at Jarod, Shamadiya, 3,200 square meter. Grip Ortho Surgical Private Limited at Vagodia, Vadodara district, 800 square meter. Heliflex Hydraulics and Engineering Company at Vagodia, Vadodara, 1,200 square meter project. Lean Drive Manufacturers at Vagodia, 1,100 square meter. Rishi Laser Limited at Manjusar, a 4,600 square meter industrial project. Camrock Industries and Exports Limited, a huge project of 1,70,000 square meter. These are different buildings and departments at Camrock projects we have constructed. Jai Bhagwan Realities, Bhivandi, Thane district in Maharashtra, a huge warehouse project of 48,000 square meters. Shed of Mr. Pramod Patil at Vadpe, Maharashtra, 5,000 square meter warehouse project. Plasti Blends India Limited at Daman, 1200 square meter industrial project. Honest Industries Limited at Dahej, 700 square meter building. Warehouse project of Mr. Parimal J. Patel at Sachin GIDC Surat, 2500 square meter. Akash Raj Buildcon Private Limited at Palasna, Surat, 600 square meter. Rekmat Alloys Private Limited, Jambusar, 1300 square meter. Global Gourmet Private Limited, Jambusar, 4,800 square meter. Huge warehouse project of Sai Realty Group at Kheda. Size is 69,000 square meter. Synergy Associates at Kheda, 6,500 square meter. VNKC Agrocom Private Limited at Dhodka, 4,500 square meter. Agarwal TMT Bars Private Limited at Bauda near Ahmedabad, 4,580 square meter. Krishna Tuff Private Limited at Chhatral near Mehsana, 1,700 square meter. Royal Castor Products Private Limited at Siddhpur, Patan, 3,000 square meter. Agri Warehouse of Kumarji Group at Harij and Unja, 25,000 square meter. Kaizen Ferrocast Private Limited at Shapar, Rajkot, 4,300 square meter with height of 25 meter at High Bay. Acrisil Steel Limited at Bhavnagar, 500 square meter. Automobile showroom with workshop for Maruti Udyog India Limited of Atul Infrastructure at Amreli, 3,500 square meter. Showroom and workshop for Mahindra & Mahindra by RK Motors at Porbandar, 1,800 square meter. Shri Samarth Engineering at Jamnagar, 5,600 square meter. JB Industries Navsari, 2,200 square meter. Raut Industries Vagodia, 365 square meter. Banco Products India Limited Vadodara, 3,000 square meter. Ishan Industries Ahmedabad, 1,349 square meter. Isotex Dahej Bharuch, 6,500 square meter. JS Corupec Vadodara, 3,019 square meter. Krishna Electricals Ahmedabad, 1,650 square meter. Shubhalakshmi Polyester Limited, Dahej, 1,800 square meter. Lancer Lasertech India Limited, Mehsana, a huge project of 9,528 square meter. Size and quantity of projects are still too large to be incorporated in this presentation. Team Sankalp is thankful to you for your time and interest. We hope that this will help you in well-informed decision making. Please email us for more information on info@sankalpsystems.com or marketing@sankalpsystems.com or call on 99740 86935.